Are you dealing with slow Verizon FIOS speeds? It's frustrating when your Wi-Fi or internet connection is slow or unreliable. Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show step-by-step solutions to help you restore your connection to its optimal performance. So, let's watch the video till the end. Internet connection check. If your video streaming is buffering and glitched, make sure your Verizon FIOS router is set up correctly and all cables are securely connected. Optimize router placement. Place your router in a central, open, and high place, away from walls and metal objects. Remove objects around it to reduce interference. If everything is fine, follow the next step. Check for router settings. Launch the Safari or Chrome browser and visit the Verizon FIOS router interface. Then, enter login details and click on the login button. If you see Enter Username and Password page, the default username is admin. If you forget the password, check the label on the backside of your router. If IPv6 settings are causing compatibility issues, you should disable them. This option might not be available on all devices. Go to the Advanced section and click on Network Settings. Here, select IPv6. Turn off the toggle beside Enable IPv6, then click on the Apply Changes button. Click on the Wi-Fi drop-down. Then, turn off the toggle next to the self-organizing network. We must turn it off because it tends to leave your device connected through a 2.4 GHz frequency band even when you stand next to the router. If your router and devices support it, consider using the 5 GHz band instead of the 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds but a shorter range, so it's ideal for high bandwidth activities like gaming or streaming if you're close to the router. If you try to disable self-oriented network and your device shows an applying settings, please wait message and is stuck, try a different web browser. If you have a large house, get the FIOS network extender to enhance the Wi-Fi coverage. The buying link is given in the video description. Restart your router and devices. This process refreshes network settings and clears temporary caches and files, which may slow down your internet speed. In this solution, you first need to turn off the router, then locate the power cord and remove the power cord from your router and wait 10 seconds. Then plug it back into the router. After that, restart your Android, iPhone, or PC device and connect it to the Wi-Fi network. Also, reduce network congestion by turning off smart devices such as smart TVs, smart bulbs, thermostats, gaming consoles, and tablets. Run a speed test. Go to the Verizon Speed Test website to check your connection speed. The link is given in the video description. For accurate results, I recommend you connect your device to the router via Ethernet cable. The steps to connect the iPhone to the Ethernet are available on a video screen. Check network settings. Make sure that your device is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network and not any proxy or VPN network. If you can't connect, go to the Wi-Fi details and check if the network adapter is set to use DHCP. Also, please check the password of your Verizon FIOS router and try to reconnect. Check for network congestion. Network congestion occurs when multiple devices heavily use the internet, which can significantly slow down your Verizon FIOS connection. To manage this, ensure that no other devices heavily use the internet while testing or using your connection. Update firmware and software. Make sure your router's firmware and your device's software are up to date. If you're experiencing connection issues, the following solution is to reset APN settings. This process will delete all custom access points, so it's an excellent step if you're having trouble connecting to your network. For iPhone, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Then select your SIM. After that, tap on the cellular data network. Find the Reset Settings option and select it. A pop-up may appear on your iPhone screen that asks you to confirm that all network-related settings have been reset to their original values. Tap on Reset to confirm. That's it. Here are the steps for an Android device. If the problem persists, turn on and off airplane mode. Turning airplane mode forces your device to disconnect from any Wi-Fi or cellular network. Launch the Settings app, turn on the toggle beside airplane mode, and wait a few moments. Then turn it off. Your device may automatically connect to the known network. Reset network settings. This process resets your device's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. So, you need to reconnect your device to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. The steps for iPhone and Android devices may vary. For iPhone, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Swipe up to the bottom and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then select the Reset option. You can see multiple options available here. Select Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. Then, select Reset Network Settings to confirm. Wait until your phone restarts. That's it. Steps for Android devices are displayed on the video screen. Report to Verizon support. If the issue persists, contact Verizon support for further assistance. They can run diagnostics and provide a new modem or router if needed. Check the video description to get the country-wise Verizon FIOS customer service number and email lists. I hope you find this video helpful. Following these steps may significantly improve your Verizon FIOS internet speeds. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest technical tips and tricks videos.